Shabbir Shah, senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, currently detained in the infamous Tihar jail in New Delhi, has appealed to the United Nations to intervene and address the worsening situation in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Shabbir Shah, in a message from the jail, emphasized the urgency of resolving the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN resolutions. Indian forces have initiated the search operation along the Jammu-Pathankot highway in the Jammu region after the alleged discovery of a suspicious material near a bridge. According to Kashmir Media Service, the bomb disposal squad has been deployed to the site to handle the situation. Indian Supreme Court has urged New Delhi to clarify its stance on the transparency of the review orders related to the internet ban in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the court emphasized that while the deliberations may not need public disclosure, the actual orders resulting from the review process should be made accessible to the public. It is yet to be seen how this stance will influence the Indian government policies on the internet bans in the occupied Kashmir. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has rejected the Hindutva BJP regime's brutal policies in the occupied Kashmir and called for the UN intervention to prevent the worsening human rights situations in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a joint statement issued in Islamabad today, APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar and General Secretary Sheikh Abdul Mateen stressed the urgent need to settle the long-standing Kashmir dispute. In blatant violation of the Indus Waters Treaty, the Indian government led by Narendra Modi has diverted the waters of the Chenab River, disrupting its natural flow and affecting the downstream regions in Pakistan. According to Kashmir Media Service, with the construction activities gaining momentum at the Rattle Hydro Electric Power Project in the Kishtwar, the diversion was successfully carried out on 27 January 2024.